So updates, welcome back. So welcome to CodeChef. So this is AI powered code review project. In the previous 3 videos, we had seen the resume versus job description matching. So here we'll be seeing AI powered code reviewer project. So you'll fetch a code from GitHub and then we will review and suggest whatever improvements are there. We'll have that. Now, in this, we have the objective is to fetch GitHub pull request diff. Now, analyze code changes using Grok API, post structured or constructive review comments directly to the GitHub. Okay. So three parts. So the first part is fetch the pull request diff, that is basically in different format which we need. Now reviewing the PR diff with Grok. Now and then the posting review to the GitHub. Okay. So in this, basically what we'll be doing is creating a URL, because we can only communicate with the API using URL. So we extract URL. So diff is basically, it shows the line of code that were added or removed in a PR project repository. Now we install the libraries and we'll go to the code. So it says import request. So request is basically to communicate or send request to HTTP. Now we have a GitHub token and GitHub API. So token is basically for your authentication that your entry access, and now API is GitHub API. Now we have a function get PR def, that is basically, now one more is the input is basically owner, that is the owner of the GitHub account name. One more is repository, and then PR number, that is basically whichever PR do we want. That is it the first, second, or the third, whatever, which one is the one which we want. So basically, let's say I have made a project and I have entered the pull request. So PR is basically the pull request number. So I've entered the pull request number and I need that particular pull request of that particular repository of that owner. Okay. So I create a URL here. So the URL is basically git API. So this is the format of the URL. Whatever is entered here, it is of the same format. Now we have the header, that is basically authorization is basically GitHub token is our entrance, or we are authorized to access this. Now here we are asking it to give in a different format, not JSON format. Okay, so now we have the response, that is basically request.get. We're using a get method for getting it from the server. Now after that we have a raise for status, that is basically if we have any errors, then it shows the error, that is for any error it shows the error, it reflects the error. Now return response.text. After that we return the text. Now in the main function, the owner, we are mentioning the owner is Kais Kadir, repository is calculator demo, and now the pull request is basically the first pull request we are asking for. Now here we are using the function get PR diff, that is basically this one with all the given entries. Now I'll install the library and then I can execute the code. Yeah. So you can see this is the pull request diff. So basically it says whatever is added is here and whatever is subtracted is here. So I can submit the program. So that's it for this video. All the exercises have passed and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.